My dear students, Eid Mubarak. Hope all you have enjoyed your Eid with your family. I can understand that you cannot go outside from your home and you cannot meet with your friends for this COVID-19 situation. Don't be panic. Keep patience. Inshallah, we will overcome this situation and we can meet with our friends. Stay home, stay safe. I am your Ratna Miss. Welcome you all in our today's online class.
I, Rabia Begum Ratna, Senior Teacher, Class 3, Milestone Preparatory KG School, AMGS, Sector 7, Uttara, Dhaka. Today I am going to take class on Bangladesh and Global Studies, Chapter 8, The Continents and Oceans. Today we are going to learn Bangladesh is in the map, that means in the Asia continents, about the national flag of Bangladesh, and filling the blanks of Chapter 8, The Continents and Oceans.
My dear students, before going to our today's class, let's see a video on our previous class. What was our previous class? Our previous class was on the continent and oceans.
The world is split up into continents, there are 7 in all. And if you get the gist, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Hey, my name is Asia, and more than half of the world lives here, but whatever.
And I am Africa with desert for miles, and my Nile is the longest river.
North America, start down in Panama, wide open spaces all the way to Canada.
I'm South America with animals galore, where the rainforest grows, cause the rain really pours.
I'm Antarctica, and I'm totally ours.
And I'm Europe, you're welcome, for the pasta, pizza, waffles, and fries.
I am Australia, some call me Oceania. I got a lot of islands, too many to explain to ya.
We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. About 70% of the surface of the earth is ocean water, and it's divided up in 5 parts from biggest to smallest. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic.
I'm the Pacific, to be specific. I'm a third of the Earth's surface where my turf is, and my Mariana Trench is the very, very deepest in the sea.
And I'm the Atlantic, named after the Greek god Atlas, with the Bermuda Triangle and the Gulf Stream in me.
I'm the Indian Ocean, I'm the warmest around.
And I'm the Southern Ocean, where Antarctica is found.
And I'm the Arctic, the smallest and the shallowest, but that's fine, you see, I've got more ice than you've ever seen. Even polar bears walk on me.
We're the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic.
One more time.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Arctic.
I want to ask some question from our previous class, that means about the continents and oceans. What is called continent? Everybody, you know, the earth has been divided into 7 big section or parts, each one is called a continent. And how many continents are there on the earth? How many continents are there on the earth? There are 7 continents on the earth. And what are they? Let's see the answer. The land on the earth has been divided into 7 big sections. That means 7 big parts. Each one is called a continent. Each one is called a continent. There are 7 continents: Europe, Asia, Antarctica, Africa, Australia, North America, and South America. These 7 is the continent. 7 are the continents' name. The next question I want to ask, what is called an ocean? Everybody, you know the answer. That what is called an ocean, how many oceans are there, and what are they? Yes, I know everybody, you can give me the answer. Yes, let's see the answer. A very large area with saline water larger than the sea is called ocean. And how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans on the earth. These are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and last one, the Southern Ocean. So here we found how many oceans? There are 5 oceans. And already we know that which is the biggest ocean and which is the smallest ocean. The biggest ocean is which one? And which one is the smallest ocean? Can you give me the answer? Yes? Okay, let's see. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the earth or of the world. Then which is the biggest and smallest continent? There are 7 continents in the world, and which is the biggest? The biggest is Asia and the smallest is Australia. Discuss the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth is divided into 2 parts. One is land and another is water. There are land and water on the surface of the earth. 1/4 of the earth is land and 3/4 is water. That means 70% is water. Now our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is on chapter 8, the continents and ocean, and we are going to learn about the Bangladesh is in the map, that means in the Asia continent's map, and the national flag of Bangladesh, and we are going to learn the fill in the blanks also. Everybody, just open your copy and write CW number 12, and date will be our today's date. And here you will write reading practice page number 48, book activities page number 49, and fill in the blanks. And dear students, you should write the fill in the blanks in your CW copy. So let's start our today's class. All of you open the book page number 48. This is the page of 48 of your book. So all of you open. So this is the 3rd lesson of this chapter, and the lesson's name is what? Bangladesh in the map. You can see a small country colored in green on the southern edge of the continent of Asia. So my dear students, this is the map of the Asian continent. And where is Bangladesh? The position of Bangladesh is written here. Yes, this is the map of Bangladesh. And see, this is the continent of Asia. This is the continent of Asia continent's map, and here is Bangladesh. Let's see a map of Asia continent. See, this is the map of Asia continent, and Bangladesh, where is Bangladesh? Can you see? Yes, the red part of this is Asia continent. In Asia continent, the red part is Bangladesh. This is our beloved homeland. And rest of the part there are others countries. Okay, and north side in Asia continents, north side there is Arctic Ocean, in the east side there is Pacific Ocean, and in the south side there is Indian Ocean. So where is Bangladesh? Bangladesh is the southern side of the Asia continent, and Bangladesh southern side there is the Indian Ocean. There is the Indian Ocean. So see, already you know in page number 46 that how many continents are there. Only 7 continents in this earth. There are so many countries. So in Asia continents also, this is one continent, but there are so many countries are here. What are they? Do you want to know? Okay.
Do you like to see a video on Asia continent? Yes? Okay, let's see a video on Asia continent.
We're all part of Asia, the Earth's largest and most populous continent. We're all part of Asia, the fully recognized sovereign states we present. My name's Afghanistan, my capital is Kabul. Armenia's in Europe and Asia, and Yerevan is cool. Azerbaijan is in both Europe and Asia, and this is Baku. My name is Bahrain, my capital's Manama, it's true. Bangladesh is what you see, and this is Dhaka. I am Bhutan, my capital Thimphu isn't far. Hi, I'm Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan is here. Welcome to Cambodia, Phnom Penh is real near. You know me as China, and this is Beijing. Cyprus is in Europe and Asia, Nicosia will make you sing. And East Timor, Dili is a beauty. Egypt's in Africa and Asia, Cairo is worth a see. Georgia's in Europe and Asia, my capital's Tbilisi. You know I'm India, come visit New Delhi. I am Indonesia, Jakarta's in me. This is Iran, and my capital's name is Tehran. In the country of Iraq, Baghdad, I am so fond. My name is Israel, in me you will find Jerusalem. Over here in Japan, Tokyo is so much fun. When you're in Jordan, come visit my capital, Amman. Kazakhstan's in Europe and Asia, Astana is #1. Welcome to Kuwait, Kuwait City has some sights to see. My name is Kyrgyzstan, and Bishkek is in me. Laos is who I am, my capital is Vientiane. If you come to Lebanon, Beirut is a sure win. Welcome to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur is my capital. Within the Maldives, Mali is beautiful. We're all part of Asia, the Earth's largest and most populous continent. We're all part of Asia, the fully recognized sovereign states we present. Visit Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar is within me. My name is Myanmar, Naypyidaw is what you see. Nepal is right here, my capital's Kathmandu. In North Korea, Pyongyang is waiting for you. Here in Oman, you can visit Muscat. Visit Pakistan's capital, Islamabad. In the Philippines, Manila is laid back. I am Qatar, in Doha you could backpack. Russia is in Europe and Asia, Moscow is quite a scene. Saudi Arabia here, this is where Riyadh's been. This is Singapore, my capital is Singapore. South Korea is here, in Seoul you won't get bored. I am Sri Lanka, Colombo's my gem. In Syria, Damascus is where time spent. I am Tajikistan, and this is Dushanbe. When you're in Thailand, Bangkok is where you'd stay. Turkey's in Asia and Europe, and this is Ankara. In Turkmenistan, Ashgabat will leave you in awe. In the United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi has wealth. Uzbekistan is here, and don't keep Tashkent on the shelf. I am Vietnam, Hanoi is really cool. I am Yemen, Sana really rules. We're all part of Asia, the Earth's largest and most populous continent. We're all part of Asia, the fully recognized sovereign states we present.
See, in this video we can learn so many things, and you also enjoyed, and I think that you already saw the video and you have enjoyed the video, and you can see that there were so many countries. So how many countries did you count? You didn't count yet? Okay, see. In Asia continent, there are 48 countries according to the United Nations. And in area, Russia is the biggest country. Its land area is 1 crore 30 lakh square kilometer. And China is the largest populated country. The population is much more in China. Maldives is the smallest country in Asia in terms of both in land area and population size. And our Bangladesh is in the 27th in area and 5th in population. So Bangladesh is 27th largest area in Asia continent, and this is the in population size, its position is 5th. Yes. What is this? This is the flag of Bangladesh. And in our second topic, we are going to learn about the flag of Bangladesh. All of you, open page number 48. Yes, the rest of the things read with me. Our national flag is colored green and red. And see, our national flag is rectangular. Here in your book, it is written FLUZ. It should be FLAZ, flag. National flag is rectangular. Rectangular means this is one kind of quadrilateral, and this shape is called rectangular. Okay. The ratio means the portion, the amount of two things is its length and weight is 10:6. That means this is the length and this is the weight, and its ratio is 10 and it should be 6. The radius of the circle is 1/5 of the width of the flag. My dear students, there is one mistake also. You just see the circle, you cut it and write here length. It should be the length 1/5. The radius will be length 1/5, and you should underline the word under the word radius. Then you should underline the word rectangular. Here there is another word, eighths. Already in previous class you know what is eighths. Then the red circle is somewhat of the flag. My dear students, can you see the red circle is somewhat left of the flag? It is not, it is in the middle. It is somewhat, that means little bit in the left side. Can you understand? And did you make the correction? You should make the correction. You should write it correctly. It should be flag and here it would be length. Instead of width, it should be length. See, this is our national flag. And what are the colors? Our national flag's color is red and green. The circle is red and the rest of the rectangular is green. Now, my dear students, who can tell me that what does a national flag symbolize or represent? Nobody can say? I think you should know. The national flag is the flag that represents. That means it symbolizes an independence country. Bangladesh is an independence country, and national flag shows it that it is independence country. and every independent country has their own national flag. Green. And here, see how to draw the national flag. The length will be what? 10 and width will be 6. This is called the ratio of the length and width is 10:6. And here this is the circle, and this 0 point is called what? The center. This called, can you see the cursor? Yes, this is the center. From center to surface of the circle, that means this round shape, this is the circle, this is called the radius. And the radius will be 1/5 of the length. If the length is 10 centimeter or 10 inch, then the radius will be 2 inch or 2 centimeter. And see, this is the 5. That means the center or the circle is not in the middle. It is just little bit in the left side. So, my dear students, you should maintain the length and width and the circle radius, and you should make little bit left side. That means 4.5. It should be 4.5. It is clear that how to draw the national flag. We should know then how to draw the national flag.
Dear students, open page number 49. Now we will do the bookwork of 49 number page. Exercise number A. Observe the map in the page 46 and 49 and answer the questions. In which continent Bangladesh is situated? Question number 1. In which continent Bangladesh is situated? We all know that Bangladesh is situated in which continent? Bangladesh is situated in Asia continent. Now the 2 number question. Which two continents lie to the west? My dear students, see, this is the east side and this is the west side. So on the west side, which two continents? Look here, there are 7 continents on the earth: Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, North America and South America. And North America and South America, these two continents lie to the west. So the answer will be North America and South America. All of you will write in your books the answer. Then question number 3. Which two continents lie to the south? Africa and Antarctica. So see, this is the south side. Where is the south side? This is the lower part of the map. This is the south side, and south side, Africa and Antarctica, these two continents is situated. Then which two continents lie to the east? This is the east side. My dear students, so where is which two continents lie in the east side? Look, Asia and Australia. You see the answer. Yes, the Asia and Australia. These two continents lie to the east. Which oceans lie south of Bangladesh? Which ocean? Bangladesh is in Asia continent. This is the Asia continent. And where is Bangladesh? Bangladesh is this side. That means the southern side of the Asia continent. And the southern side of the Asia continent, which ocean is here? The Indian Ocean. So answer will be the Indian Ocean. Now exercise number B. Write the names of the continents of the map. Look, I am writing already, and in your book you have to write. So the pink color, this will be Asia, then this one will be Australia, the blue color it will be Europe, then with beside Europe and Asia there is Africa, then green color it is North America, and the yellow color this is South America, and this white this is Antarctica. And there are 5 oceans also: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. So I hope all you can fill up the map, and it is very much necessary to know about the map to answer any types of short question answer. Number D. Give a short answer on which side of which continent is Bangladesh situated. Answer: Bangladesh is situated on the southern side of the Asia continent. So, these are all about our book works.
Now, the difficult word. Already I told you to underline the difficult word, and here I am writing the difficult word meanings. So, eight means what? Side or pole. That is the southern area or southern side or southern pole, or east, west, north, south. There is four eights or four sides, and you find in your books. Rectangular. Rectangular is the quadrilateral that it has four sides, having the shape of a rectangle. That is called rectangular. Then radius, the line from the center to the surface of a circle. Ratio, the relation between two amounts. That means the relation between length and weight. What was there? 62, 10:6. Yes. Now our third topics, fill in the blanks. All of you take your copy, write the fill in the blanks in your CW copy. Number first one, earth shape is a what is the answer? What will be the answer? Sphere. Already you know from lesson 1. Then number 2, 1/4 of the earth is land. Yes. And 3/4 is what? Water. You know. There are dash continents on the earth. It is so easy question. There are dash continents. How many continents? 7. Yes, very good. Look, there is 7 continents. And the dash continents is Asia. What types of continents is Asia? We saw the video. We know about Asia continent. Now, which types of continent is Asia? Is the biggest continent. Is the largest continent. The largest continent or the biggest continent is what? Asia. The oceans contains dash water. You know which oceans? Every oceans. Which water? Saline water. Yeah. There are 5 dash on earth. Very easy. There are 5 dash on earth. Yes, oceans. There are 5 oceans on earth. The smallest ocean is the, yes, who can say, yes, everybody can say, yes, I know. Then you can give me the answer. The smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Our national flag is rectangular. Everybody, wow. You know the answer, yes. Our national flag is rectangular. The ratio of our national flag is what? Length and width. What was there? You know it very well. Yeah, yes, thank you. 10:6. Excellent. Everybody, you know the answer. Yes, are you writing with me? Yes or no? I'm sure that you are writing. Very good. Thank you. Thank you for your writing. And the things is, last one, the position of Bangladesh is in the dash. Is in where? Europe, Africa, Australia, South America, North America. We are in America or Europe or in Asia? Yes, we are in Asia. Wow, the position of Bangladesh is in the Asia continent. This is just joking with you that you can understand it or not. For that reason, I just want to see that you will say that Bangladesh is in Asia continent or Europe continent or others. No, my dear students, you're so smart. You know the answer that Bangladesh is in Asia continent. Very good. Oh, our feedback class. That means we have finished our class. Now I want to ask some question from our today's class. That which is the biggest and smallest ocean? Everybody, you know. Can you remember the song? Pacific, Atlantic, la 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 la. Yes. If you see the video, then you can easily understand that which is the biggest one. The biggest one is Pacific, and last one in this video you can see that the song was there, the Pacific, and the last one is an Arctic. So the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean and smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Yeah, everybody, you know the answer. Very good. Thank you. Thank you for giving the answer. And you are following the class. Very good. In which continent Bangladesh is situated? How many times we are asking? Bangladesh is situated in Asia continent. Nobody say it is in Europe continent. Okay, or Africa or any other continent. How many colors are there in our national flag? So easy question. You know the answer. And describe the national flag of Bangladesh. Already we learned the national flag. That what is the size? The size is what? Rectangular. Yes. Then that how many colors? 2 colors, red and green. And the length is 10 and width is 6. Length 1/5 will be the radius and the circle will be little bit the left side. Okay. So my dear students, already we have finished our chapter 8 reading practice and book work. And what we learned from this chapter, we learned about the continents, we learned about the oceans, we learned about that where is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is in Asia continent. Our national flag represent that Bangladesh is an independent country, and we know about the national flag. So now it is the homework time. Are you ready for your homework? Your homework will be from chapter 8, the continents and ocean, and write your diary. Reading practice page number 48, book activities page 49, and there will be one written homework number 5. Write 5 fill in the blanks in your SW copy. So thank you, my dear students.
My dear students, these are all about our today's class. I hope all you have enjoyed the class and you can understood the class very clearly. If you have a problem, just see the class again. Thank you all. See you again in the next class. Bye bye.